Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to export Lendingclub statements for accountants. Exporting your Lendingclub statements can save time during tax seasons or when working with an accountant to review your finances. Having digital copies makes it easier to share accurate records of your deposits, withdrawals, loan payments, and interest earned. To export a statement, all you gotta do is log into your Lendingclub online banking account, and then from the main dashboard, just navigate to the Statements and Documents section. Here, you're gonna find monthly and annual statements for your accounts. Choose the desired statement period, and then select the download option. Most statements are available in PDF format, which is widely acceptable by accountants and tax softwares. Once downloaded, you can store these files securely on your computer or cloud drive before sharing them with your accountant. If you're concerned about security, consider password protecting the files or sending them through encrypted email. For those managing multiple accounts or loans, exporting all statements into a single folder ensures that your accountant has a complete financial picture. This simple process can help to avoid delays when preparing taxes or analyzing your financial progress. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.